2013 GX460. This 7-passenger utility vehicle is more powerful, capable, and versatile than ever before. Visionary in every sense of the word, the GX460 boasts one of the tightest turning circles in its class, a suspension system that helps enhance your capability, and the best-in-class V8 fuel economy, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, CD changer, power passenger seat, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, cruise control, floor mats, 4-wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.